So the RAID 0, I just stripe disk. So it splits the data evenly between available hard drives. It gives you a large size and you have high performance or ultimate speed. There's no redundancy. And if one drive fails, it leads to an array of failure. And for the RAID 1, you have mirror disk. One hard drive mirrors the other hard drive, and you get improved availability. It provides ultimate redundancy. A single drive failure will not lead to data loss, as you can use the other drive to recover the failed drive. And the disadvantage for the RAID 1 is the speed and the size is limited by the speed and the size of the smallest hard drive you have on your system. And in a RAID 1 scenario, only one drive is required for recovery. So just to touch on the RAID 5, you have striped drives and you have parity or checksum. And what that means is you have a single block that stores all of your data, so it doesn't break it into small blocks. It stores everything into that one block, such that in an event of failure, you can use that block to recover the section that failed within the system. So for a RAID 5, you need at least 4 hard drives, and the data is split between 3, while the last block is used for parity or for checksum, and that is the block that stores the complete data that is being split in the other drives. And with the RAID 5, you get a high degree of redundancy and speed, and you get large size. Parity reduces the total array size, because if you have 4 drives and you use one of them, or you use a block in one of the drives, you have 3 left. So with parity, you get a reduced size of your array. And only a single drive is required to rebuild your system in an event of failure. And for a RAID 10, we have striped set of mirrored subsets. So you have 2 RAID 0s that are mirror images of 2 other RAID 0s, and that is considered a RAID 1. So you have a combination of a RAID 1 and a RAID 0. And for a RAID 10, 4 or more drives are made into striped mirrors. And a RAID 10 provides you with a faster speed and a larger size than a RAID 1, and more redundancy than a RAID 0. And there's no parity with a RAID 10. And in an event of failure, only one drive can fail at a time. And with that, you can use the same stored information on the other drive to recover your system.